Hi, my name is Coach Abby. Thank you for tuning in to Love Advice TV. Love Advice TV is a channel that has been developed with the sole purpose of helping you navigate through difficult relationship challenges. Alongside with the amazing Coach Alex, Coach Adrian, and Coach Natalie, I welcome you to today's topic. Today we're going to talk about something very interesting. Ask and it is given. So what is this supposed to imply? So your ex all of a sudden says, I want to break up with you. I need space. I need to find myself. Let's talk about 4 immediate responses I strongly suggest you implement when your ex asks for space. Number 1, you give it. No pleading, no begging, no why, no I love you, no I need you, nothing. You control your emotions. You must, at that point, pull back. Go into no contact. It's as simple as that. Don't allow them to think that without them, your life is over. Because if that is the case, what you're doing is you're putting them on a pedestal. And with it, you devalue yourself. The second thing, and I really believe this will help you, once you've cried and once you're tortured yourself, what has happened, oh my gosh, okay, I did the right thing. I did not plead. I did not do anything to make him think that I am, completely destroyed and broken. I suggest you really dive into the reasonings behind the breakup. An exercise that I love to implement is an exercise that lets you get out of yourself, see the entire picture. On one column, I would suggest to put each and every type of blowouts that you've ever had, no matter how small to no matter how big. On the second column, put your perspective as to why it happened. And on the third column, put their perspective as to why it happened and how they responded to it. When we do this, we start really realizing that we're not victims. We contributed as well to the breakup. So when they say, "Oh, I need space," guess what? It's not an abandonment issue because both of you, at some point or the other, contributed to the breakup. Number 3, do a genuine examining of conscience. Are you the same person they fell for? Think about it. We become very comfortable in our relationships. And at the very beginning, we're nice and sweet and funny and charming. And as we become more comfortable, we start changing. We start at times even becoming controlling, demanding. And the relationship really revolves and evolves around control. Who literally, has the upper hand. And a perfect relation, which is no such thing actually, but an actual good and healthy relationship is when you have shared control. When you both are on the same level. It's very, very important. Number 4, remember that no contact is not a one-size-fits-all. The moment that I mention it to my clients, they go into hysteria. We think, oh, there is no way possible. How am I going to do that? It's impossible. It's not. Actually, it is the best thing that can happen to you because it really allows for all the anger issues, for all the bad feelings to start to dissipate. And it allows you a new chance down the line to be able to re-engage in conversation. So it's not about no contact is not intended to be a permanent thing. And once again, it's not a one-size-fits-all. There are moments that even initially, depending on your circumstances, that you can respond. Do you initiate? No, but you can respond. Book a session with me. Let's talk about the different moments and different times and how to respond. And there are certain ways to respond that are more effective than other. It'll be my pleasure to share with you the many different strategies that we have, which you will find extremely helpful. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and leave your comments below. I will go through each and every one individually. Until the next time, I'm Coach Abby.